So innovation is the specific instrument of entrepreneurship or a business, the act that endows resources with a new capacity to create something different. If, as per Peter Decker also, it is an established organization which in this age necessitating innovation is not able to innovate, it faces decline and extinction. See, आज जो कोविड का टाइम है वो क्रिएटिविटी और इनोवेशन में इतनी तेजी से बढ़ रहा है, कोई सोच भी नहीं सकता है. As consumer trends change in the face of innovative technology, marketing has become more complex. Today, marketing team must wear many hats. This includes that the product designer, data analyst, customer experience manager, all those have to work together. Some of the best performing brands today have one thing in common, that is a deliberate organizational focus on innovation and creative marketing. As the role of marketing changes, the creative marketing becomes an essential business requirement. It is important for brands to find ways to infuse their marketing efforts with creative innovation. See, Facebook. Facebook started initially, it was built for college and university students in 2004. With over 30 million members worldwide, Facebook is the now seventh most visited site in the United States, and over 15 billion progressive customers are there every month. But in 2007, Facebook took a big step forward by opening the Facebook platform, which allows developer to build third-party applications for use within Facebook user interface. Now they have launched, I suppose, they have launched face recognition as well. So this is what you need to create, you need to develop, you need to process, you need to bring the change every time. Creativity, marketing and innovation in marketing does not have to be about complexity. In fact, marketers who understand the essence of creativity now know that simplicity is what consumer need. It helps them solve their problem efficiently. कोई बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा कुछ हो ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है, बट छोटी छोटी चीजों से you can create. Apple is a great example of a brand that has mastered the art of infusing simplicity into its creative process. The iPad is such a creatively refined product, not because it is techy, it is because of the simplicity of the application created by many developers at Apple. The creative minds behind the brand understand what the customer wants, so they design the iPad with the aim of delivering seamless convenience and simplicity to the end user. The people behind your brand can be a hindrance or promoters of innovation and creativity, so choose them wisely. We all know about 5 P's, that is price, product, process, promotion, people. So while innovating, all these aspects need to be taken care of. Take a holistic view of the customer. Every marketer understands the value of customers' experience. However, most only focus on those aspects they can directly control. Creativity requires a more holistic view of the entire customer experience as opposed to fragmenting the experience. Think like an entrepreneur. Traditionally, marketers have had to formulate campaign and outline goals and objectives within a set budget. Today, although budgets are still relevant, uh, creative marketers are not limited by resources. Only the contrary, they are organizing their marketing goals around the need to achieve a product and the market fit. Be a thought leader. Use price as a weapon. आप देखिए 5 रुपए का ऋण आता है, only for 5 rupees. So companies, this they do the market, they do the survey, they create the needs. इसमें I can give you an example of Johnson and Johnson. Johnson and Johnson product is everybody knows, it is for lactating mothers and all, and for the kids they produce some uh, good stuff. So उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने रूरल एरिया में नहीं, दे वेंट टू अर्बन एरिया, अर्बन एरिया में उन्होंने एक बड़ा अच्छा कैंपेन शुरू किया। उनको पता था कि रूरल एरिया में बच्चों को ग्रो करना इतना मुश्किल नहीं है, क्योंकि इट इज़ नॉट अ न्यूक्लियर फैमिली, सब लोग फैमिली साथ में रहती है, माता पिता ताऊ ताई सब रहते हैं, they are a joint family, they are not a nuclear family, whereas in urban area it is a nuclear family. So nuclear families के लिए उन्होंने प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करने शुरू किए। घर में बैठ के जो बच्चों को संभालती है मदर्स, उन्होंने इसको एक फ्रेंड की तरह ट्रीट किया कि देखो मेरे बच्चे के लिए ये चीज़ अच्छी है, वो चीज़ अच्छी है। तो दिस इज हाउ दे डेवलप देयर मार्केट. Johnson and Johnson is the best example for and this is something which I want to focus on. See, it is remarkable how many people are under the false assumption that companies are either innovative or not. This is very polarizing and simplistic perspective that does not take into account the different types of innovation that companies can do or pursue. So let's break down innovation into 4 dimensions: technology and market, which gives us the following 4 types of innovation. One is the radical, incremental, sustaining, and disruptive. Incremental innovation is the most common form of innovation. It utilizes your existing technology and increase value to the customer, like features, design, charges, etc. within your existing market. Almost all companies engage in incremental innovation in one form or another. The example include adding new features to existing product or services, or even removing features like value through your simplification or something. Even small updates to user experience can add value. For example, the email schedule pager, I'll show you in the next slide. So innovation should be based on future disruptive projection and not on existing old assumptions. इमेजिनेशन के बेसिस पे आप इम्प्रूव करते हो, जबकि एक्सपीरियंस के बेसिस पे आप मेंटेन करते हो. अगर नेक्स्ट लेवल में जाना है तो मेंटेनेंस नहीं बल्कि इम्प्रूवमेंट जरूरी है. एजिलिटी इज नेक्स्ट लेवल टू स्टेबिलिटी. इस प्रोसेस को बना के मैनेज करने से आप नेक्स्ट लेवल में जाते हो. सो डिस्ट्रप्टिव इनोवेशन को भी और इनोवेट किया जा सकता है. वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल इज ऑफ द रेडियो. In 1890, which was innovated by Marconi, धीरे 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 किसी ने सोचा नहीं होगा कि फोटो वाला रेडियो आ जाएगा. फोटो वाला रेडियो क्या? दैट इज टीवी. लोगों को लगा ये तो बोलने वाला टीवी है. लेकिन ये धीरे धीरे रुका नहीं. उस टीवी के बाद धीरे धीरे सीआरटी से प्लाज्मा, प्लाज्मा से एलईडी, एंड अभी स्मार्ट टीवी, ना जाने क्या क्या. इसी तरह टेलीफोन. अलेक्जेंडर ग्राम बेल ने जब इसको 1873 में इनोवेट किया, इट वाज अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल इनोवेशन. फर्स्ट वाज द ट्रंक कॉल. हम लोग करते थे, अगर आप लोग पुराने टाइम में जाएंगे, so we used to do trunk calls. कितने कितने दिन, 3 दिन 4 दिन तक लोग वेट करते थे ट्रंक कॉल के लिए, लेकिन आज आपके हाथ में एक छोटा सा एक मोबाइल जिसने इसका पूरा रूप चेंज कर दिया. So there is nothing majority. So with the so there is, you have to be a game changer. You have to be doing something new with whatever is there. Some see, if you can see, there is nothing majority wrong with this page. However, it is easy to see that the page title is schedule. If you can see that the title page is schedule, yet there are no schedule setting anywhere to be seen. In fact, in this version, you have to click on the yellow schedule button on the upper right hand corner to actually pop up the schedule setting. In addition, there is a huge empty space on the right side of this page that does not contribute much value to the user. And now I will show you. See, this updated version replaces the schedule title with the title of the email campaign. This makes it easier for the user to see which campaign they are working on. Actually, schedule setting have replaced the awfully huge empty space on the right hand side, which makes it possible for the big yellow schedule button to actually schedule. So also larger sized form fields have been introduced to allow easy clicking on these elements. All the changes which may seen as are just updates, but they are small incremental change focused on adding more value to an existing product. So this is how, and there are many methods of pricing also. Lena Snapnose, who is the owner and president of ADC, break down just how to price one's work on a price per square inch basis. She has recommended in her book also how to price accordingly. So 4 types of innovation you all know. At least one example if you can just give me on the chat box, that will be excellent. Or should I? So product is what we have to offer, process is how we create and deliver that offering, position is where we target that offering and the story we tell about it, paradigm, how we feature and what we do. So incremental is the new versions of established car models, and radical is the first Tesla electronic car, online banking and the mobile banking, online shopping. These are all radical one. And IBM moving from machine maker to service and solution company. These are all the paradigm, incremental paradigm. So innovate in what we do, innovate in how we do, innovate in how we make money, and innovate in marketing mix and strategy, where, how much. Here are some innovative ads. I just wanted to show you. These are some ad walker advertisement in Vijayawada. Now it is, आपको सबको पता ही आजकल सब जगह शुरू, but they started. See, open at night. इन्होंने कोई लोगो नहीं लगाया, कुछ नहीं, just 2 lights. That's it. And this is how they are doing their branding. This is another view of innovation. Innovation. See the branding of the watch. What is this? This is mobile ordering is here. This is again the McDonald's innovative idea of it is just a hat, and this is the ad of Air France. So innovation and creativity is about, it is about action, creating what you cannot see. It is about connection, connecting people and ideas. It is about deviation, foregoing new combination. 1% of idea and 99% of execution is required. Inception of innovative culture at individual level needs a passion, attitude, knowledge, and if you have a role model, please follow them.